Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter BIOS settings on MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on the start and shut down our console. And here wait till this LED lamp right here turns off and also all of the radiators turn off. And in the meantime I can show you the buttons that activate the BIOS. And there's RB and RT, so we'll need to press and hold them, and when you're holding them, click on the power button, which should power on your console, and keep holding them until you see the BIOS screen. And here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.